Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets to summarizing thesis papers into compelling essays. Navigating the complex terrain of academic writing can be overwhelming, but fear not. Let's begin by exploring the essence of thesis summaries. A thesis paper is the culmination of rigorous research and analysis, packed with valuable insights and findings. Summarizing it requires distilling these complex ideas into concise and coherent essays. Thankfully, we live in the digital age, where essay writing tools abound. Platforms like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor are your allies in crafting polished and well-structured essays. Once you've drafted your thesis summary, it's time for refinement. Some online essay editors like ProWritingAid and Scribr offer invaluable feedback to ensure your summary is clear, coherent, and professional. Now let's talk structure. A cohesive essay structure guides the reader through your arguments seamlessly. Start with an engaging introduction, summarize each thesis chapter systematically, and conclude with impactful insights. So, fellow students, embrace the challenge, hone your skills, and together, we'll conquer the world of academic writing and achieve academic excellence.